informacije.
Hello?
Ja.
Hello?
Halo.
Did I reach the railroad station, please?
Molim?
Did I reach the railroad station, please?
Jeste, željezničke su informacije.
Thank you. I'm interested in train to Belgrade.
Voz za Beograd imate...
I don't understand you. Do you speak English?
I don't know... No.
You know, can you please give me someone that speaks English?
No.
No, why?
I don't know.
I need to speak with someone that knows English.
Bosnian?
No,
no,
I'm not from Bosnia.
No, English.
No, you don't speak English?
No, I don't know.
Okay, but I need information in English.
No.
Well.
No information in English.
How can I need a train to Belgrade.
Information Bosnia.
Well, I need to travel by train.
Yeah.
And do you speak English?
No, speak.
I know a bit of German language. Do you speak German?
No German.
No German language.
No.
Do you speak any foreign language?
No.
Well, how can I get an information from the railroad station?
Yes, information railway station.
I need information.
Yeah.
When does the train from Sarajevo leaves to Belgrade? Beograd.
Yeah, Beograd.
You don't understand me.
7 o'clock every morning.
Every morning,
Yes, Sarajevo, Strizivojno Vrpolje. Change Strizivojno Vrpolje, Belgrade.
Okay, how much is the return ticket, two-way ticket?
Return, just a moment, please. Da te malo izmučim.
What?
19 night.
What?
19 night.
Okay, 99.
Yes, return.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Every morning at 7.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.